What's up, guys? Welcome to 2T Sneaks. Hey, thanks for joining us. As always, we got a banger for you again tonight. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel. Give us the thumbs up. Give us the love. You know we're always here for you. We got a lot more videos that we now are actually getting done. We're going to get them out there, get our reviews, get our fun. We got SneakerCon coming up here shortly. We'll make sure and get some video there, get some good footage for you guys, and show you what's going on in that world. But hey, like I said, we got a banger for you tonight. Again, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the thumbs up. We're doing an off-white video. Now, here's the thing. We already did one, right? That's where we got lot 15 here. I love the colorway. I love the suede. I love the pink with the purple. I'm a purple guy, so I love that shoe right there. We got a second one for you, but here's a little bit of a twist and a little bit of interest. Because you can see right here, this box has been open. FedEx, it's been an epidemic, as you guys have seen. FedEx decided to open up our off-white box. Now, I have not looked at the lot number. I've stayed disciplined enough to not do it. And as you can see, this is the lot number side. So what they did was they smashed in that lot number side. They did not tear it open. They kept that, which I've seen some of these get torn open and get retaped with clear tape, as if Nike was doing that or something. I don't know what their thing is, but they obviously don't care. But anyways, apparently this was either not the right lot or the right size for my FedEx driver or distributor, and they decided to go ahead and let me have it. So hopefully the shoes are still in there. The box is heavy, so hopefully the shoes are in there. Hopefully it's the off-whites, but we're going to find out together. We're going to find out what lot it is. We're going to find out what they are, and as always, you're going to get that live and that true reaction as we go here. So I'm a fan of the off-white dunks. I know some people are, some people aren't. Everybody has their opinions. I think there's a pretty cool, good amount of colorways out there. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. But let's get this sucker open. Obviously, I can open from the other end, but I just want to show you that, obviously we haven't opened anything. And like I said, I haven't looked. So I'm hoping it's something cool. I'm hoping it's a good colorway. I'm hoping it's something exciting. I'm going to come from this end so that I don't spoil it, because like I said, I know that lot number was on that side that I saw. So here we are. These ones are a size 10.5 men's. Same box as we talked about before. I really like the drawing on top. Everything else there. I like the tape. I like the roughness of the box. I like the season that they put here. Everything with it. So here's what we got. Lot number 6. How many of you know what's in lot number 6? We're about to find out together, assuming it's still the off-whites that's in here. That would suck if it wasn't. So lot number 6, off-white dunks, and it looks like they are cell neutral gray violet. Told you I'm a purple guy, so it must be a thing. We're going to find out. Let's check them out. Get this thing open. All the same boxes on them. Paper looks good. I don't think they've been disturbed. I think they looked in and saw that it wasn't lot number 1 or lot number 50 or, one of the ones that are going for 1,000 plus resale, and decided to leave them there for me. So, and that is the case. Yeah, pretty cool. And it does say, not purple, but it does say violet on the side. That's interesting. It says violet when I'm not seeing any purple, but maybe, or it's maybe voile. I don't know. It looks like it says violet to me, but it is lot 6 of 50. There's the FA21. It's got everything on there. This is pretty cool. We got a leather pair this time. The leather's butter. I mean, I like suede. The rough suede, I like, but I'm really liking this really different kind of style here. This is the first leather pair that I've had in hand. I've had all suede pairs in hand so far. This is the first leather pair that I've had. Something different, I'll show you here, is right here in the toe box. So we got a leather toe box here, and this is more kind of a nubuck in the toe box, in the side panels, and even on the heel. So it's kind of that nubuck all the way around. And then the leather, super soft, buttery leather. It is a nice leather. Smells good. So we're good there. Everything inside. I like the pink. That's pretty cool. Got lot number 6 of 50 on the tag. So everything like normal. Let's grab this other shoe out. But like before, if you watched the other video, went into a little bit more details on them. I'm not going to go into too crazy details on these one, but I do like the difference of the nubuck. I do like the difference of the toe box. I like the leather. I like the reflective off-white on the side. The tongues are cool where it's got not the tongues. The insoles are cool where it's got the logos inside that's on the box. I like the punch-out tongue. Let me know what you guys think about the punched-out tongue. I think it's pretty cool. You can actually use that to slip your shoes on, or are we just there for a look? I know it's supposed to be utilitarian where we can use it to put it on there, but who knows? So pretty cool shoe, all in all. I think they're going in the collection. They're going to remain. Go right next to the purple ones, which are actually violet. And for those of you, so this one says sail neutral gray violet. This one says sail neutral gray violet. Okay, I'm confused, but whatever. And I'll show you here. Hopefully you can see that. I'm not sure if you can, but it does say sail neutral gray violet there. And then the ones that we just opened that are obviously not violet are sail neutral gray right there. Sail neutral gray and violet. Has the exact same color code on there. So that's super interesting. I don't know why. I haven't looked into that, so I don't know why they did that. Or if that's screwed up or a misprint or what's happening there. Let's see. Well, another one too. So yeah, we got completely different. I'm glad I had these ones out, and I apologize. I thought I was wrapping up the video, but apparently I'm not. So the ones that we got from the other day have a suggested retail of 150 right there. And these ones have a suggested retail of 180. So a suggested retail of 180 bucks. They smell good. They smell all right. Let me know if you guys have seen that exact same thing as well. The box, everything looks good there. I don't think that, you know, maybe FedEx really pulled a fast one on me and decided to swap out my boxes and everything, right? Who knows? Maybe they got their foo-foo pair, which I don't. These definitely aren't. There, you can tell that they're not. The leather's too nice to be that. But they are very, very interesting that it does have that violet on there and that different price tag. I know I've seen it in a couple of the Facebook groups that talk about the different price tags and have seen that, but really interesting that now I've got it firsthand and in hand, and the wrong color code on there. So we're going to look into that a little bit further. If you know the difference there, or you want to go ahead and give me a little bit of a heads up point of view, something I should be looking at. I mean, the codes on the DM codes are different, so we're good there. And I know that those are the right codes. Tag looks good, but I know the shoes are good. They smell good. They don't smell chemically and fake, and they look good. But yeah, so anyways, as you can see, like always, right, you get that live reaction. I'll stop rambling on. I really appreciate you guys joining us. Let me know if you like this colorway. What's your favorite colorway? Do you like the leather or the suede better? What colors do you like? And we'll go from there. So I appreciate you guys tuning in. I appreciate your likes, appreciate your love and appreciation. Have a great night, guys. Again, if you could, please slam that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you for all the support. Peace.